Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we shall learn about manufacturing industry. We use many items in our daily life for our basic needs such as stationery items, food items, clothes and household items. Do you know where these items are produced? These items are produced in manufacturing industry. What is manufacturing industry? Manufacturing industry convert raw material into finished products usually on the large scale by physical labor and mechanical power. Next we have classification of industries. Industries are classified on the basis of their size, raw material used and products and ownership. On the basis of size, industry can be classified into three types: cottage industry, small scale industry, large scale industry. Cottage industry. This industry are household industry in which the craftsmen make goods in their house. Basket, textile, jewelry, decoration items, jam and jellies, pickles are produced in cottage industry. Second is small scale industries. In small scale industries, goods are manufactured by using machines. Products of small scale industries includes textiles, leather goods, utensils, furnitures, etc. Next is large scale industries. Large scale industries invest huge capital, employ thousands of laborers, and use power driven heavy machineries. Iron and steel textiles, heavy machineries, transport equipments, and cements are the some examples of large scale industries. Next, we have classification on the basis of raw material. Industry can be classified into five groups. First is agro-based industry. This industry obtain their raw material from agriculture. Examples are cotton and jute in textile, sugar and food processing industry, etc. Second is mineral-based industries. These industries use rock and minerals as their raw materials. Examples are iron and steel, aluminium and cement industry, etc. Third is petrol-based industry. These industries obtain their raw material from animals. Examples are leather goods, woolen textile and dairy products. Fourth is marine based industries. These industries obtain raw material from aquatic animals. Example is fish processing. Last is forest based industries. These industries obtain their raw material from forest and plants. Examples are paper, furniture, and sports goods. Next, we have classification of industry on the basis of ownership. According to ownership, industry can be classified into four types: private, public, joint, and cooperative industries. Private sector industries are owned and managed by individual or a group of individuals. Examples are Reliance Industry, Tata Iron and Steel Industry. Public sector industries are owned and managed by central and state government or their agencies. Example is Steel Authority of India. Joint sector industries are owned and managed jointly by private firms and government agencies. Oil India Limited is example of this type industry. Cooperative sector. Cooperative sector industries are owned and managed by a group of people who form their own cooperative society. They are generally producer of raw materials. Example are sugar mill, dairy cooperatives and handloom industry. Thank you for watching this video.